Hello, hello. Sightseeing in Madrid. This is the Royal Palace. Let me zoom in. You can see all the gold and everything if you can. This is the view. Look at that. How absolutely stunning, huh? Very, 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 very beautiful. Hey, what's up? So I am eating at my food. The rest of my food's here. Gracias. Yeah. So I'm eating my tapas. For tapas, I had shrimp with chickpea. Nasty as fuck. I mean, nasty as. It's nasty. I don't like it, but I'm going to eat it. I'm gonna look at it. And then that's my artichoke and clams. So hopefully that's better because this shrimp. Sightseeing in Madrid at the Jardines de Sabatini. It is absolutely stunning. And look at that clear sky. Madrid is really treating me well. Plaza Mayor, having some lunch, cerveza y salmon y potate. Had some pan and this thing. So it's pretty cool. I'm loving it. Nice scenery, nice people watching, you know, it's good.